For kids, the understanding of feelings is a lot different than it is for adults. For adults, you have seen a lifetime of people having different feelings. People have expressed different words to you, different vocabulary. So part of the kids' POV is that they don't have a big vocabulary. So a deep emotional granularity cannot exist until we give them the vocabulary. This is why in social emotional learning, we like to use a lot of the vocabulary, and we have an entire vocabulary sheet for you, so please check it out, to allow you to really be able to express these very wide-ranging feelings. For example, I can say I'm happy, and I think if I say that, you understand some things, but to be honest, there's a lot better words that I could use. I'm ecstatic, I'm energetic, and by using these words, and by using these words, first, it enables me to better express myself in a more honest state, and then it allows you to hear the truth of my words better. Because if I'm happy, okay, it could be a very relaxed happy, or it could be a very energetic happy. But if I say I'm ecstatic, I'm energetic, I am bursting with energy and joy, by using these words, you understand suddenly a lot more about me and my current state. And then, as we'll talk about in the needs chapter, you know suddenly a lot about my needs by knowing how I feel. And then that enables you to be able to give me the support that I may need.